By the end of 2023, I felt stuck in a loop, waiting for something to change without taking action. I was tired, drained, and stuck in a cycle of burnout, a serious case of burnout. I was only hoping that 2024 would somehow be kinder to me. I had used up all my leaves in January itself because showing up to work felt impossible on most days. I felt sick and exhausted to even do bare minimum at work. Aware of my situation, a friend sent me a 3-hour long podcast episode of well-established content creators just to get me back on track. In this podcast, the creators came up with a very cool contest which actually inspired me to take action, and I submitted my entry without thinking much about it. Actually, it wasn't even perfect. And then I just forgot about this. Little did I know that this podcast was actually going to change my life. So for the first time in 3 years, I went on a solo trip to Jodhpur. And I feel that everyone should go on a solo trip at least once in their life, if not every year. There's something about being alone in a new city. Your thoughts become clearer, your fears become smaller. I started making peace with myself, my fears, my dreams, and the journey ahead. I turned 27 this year, and my birthday was pretty low-key this time. But I created a cinematic video documenting my day, and it turned out to be better than I expected. This was my first attempt in making a cinematic vlog. While I was making peace with the crap at work, I started exploring side gigs. I managed an Instagram account of a travel agency, and for the very first time in my life, I was actually getting paid for doing something that I really love doing. And I guess only these trips were keeping me sane in 2024. Goa with my cousins has become a ritual every year. And here comes a little breakthrough that I had in 2024. I found out that I was one of those winners of the creators contest that I spoke about earlier in this video. I received a creators kit along with the latest iPhone in it. All these established content creators somewhere had found my content good and worth the kit, you know. So it felt like the universe was saying, keep going, you're on the right track. I mean, मजे से काम करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो. My 9 to 5 was actually not working for me. It just sucked the soul out of me. So I started investing more in upscaling my skills, learned social media marketing and growth, attended a couple of workshops from the industry experts, and then I applied to work with my favorite creators. So I used to clear the basic rounds, the assignments, and used to get on the call with these people. But then I used to get rejected in the final stages. So 2024 was full of rejections. Rejections hurt, but I kept going, I kept learning, I kept creating. and I realized that rejection doesn't define you, your resilience does. After years of stagnation at work, I made the hardest decision of my life. It's 6:30 p.m. on the clock. I just got back from work. And guess what? I have resigned once and for all. I mean, yeah, this decision is definitely going to be a life-changing decision. I have struggled. I've struggled to come to this point, come to this day when I actually, made it happen. It was difficult. It was scary. I'm still nervous and I'm excited at the same time. I quit my job as a software engineer and I decided to move out of Vadodara. So I started to pack my life in Vadodara and then decided to move to Pune to start over. So this decision wasn't easy. It took a lot of courage to finally do it. And honestly, I'd been thinking about quitting my job for more than a year now. And it happened. I made it happen. And I felt at peace. I felt like a free bird. Last few days in Vadodara were full of mixed feelings. Vadodara is like a second home to me and I can't believe it was so difficult to take this decision. तो हमको देखना भी crocodile, but हमारा नसीब इतना अच्छा नहीं है कि हम आगे ज़्यादा पानी नहीं है, पानी ज़्यादा है, आगे थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, वो कहाँ जा रहा है? इधर का किधर देखना है, देखो साइड से जाइए पर इसके आगे मत जाइए, ज़्यादा हम ध्यान दे रहे हैं उनको. What a nice place to be at. My cozy apartment. This place has seen me at my happiest and at my lowest. In the most hardest moment, it was with me. So all this was bittersweet. In Pune, though I was back home again, I had to start my life from scratch. 5 years of being a software engineer and then changing my career to lead an uncertain path was scary and exciting at the same time. So I started freelancing and building my career on my own terms. And there is still a lot to figure out, but I know that I am at a better place now. And the most awaited trip of 2024 happened in December. A winter road trip to Spiti along with 10 people. And the best part of this trip was I had planned and organized the whole trip. Though it was a very challenging task to do, I enjoyed every bit of it. If you want to join me on my next expedition to Spiti, check out the first link in the description. Of course, after watching this video. This trip was a reminder of what 2024 had been all about. Breaking free from comfort zones, doing hard things, and living my dreams. 2024 taught me that life begins at the edge of your comfort zone. If you feel stuck in your life, this is a sign. This is a sign for you to take that first step towards building a life that doesn't require escaping from. It's never too late to start that side hustle, make that YouTube video, publish that blog, move to the city you've always dreamed of, or take that trip that's been stuck in your WhatsApp group forever. 2025 is here and waiting for your adventures. So what will you do today to make it unforgettable?